home and welcome back to Mahiti Khazana. Let's start. Friends, many times we have talked about benefits of plants. But today in this video we are going to talk about dangers related to the plants, that is poisonous plants. So let's start. Plants are important part of our nature and they make our planet green. Also they provide us food, wood and of course oxygen. But there are some plants that carry poison also. And these plants may cause itching, vomiting, diarrhea and even death. But friends, do you know these plants play an important role in nature? But how? Let's dig in. The primary reason to carry poison is protection from herbivorous and plant eater. If all plants on the earth are eatable, then it will be difficult to conserve greenery in nature. Hence, some plants are poisonous so they can protect themselves from plant eaters to balance the nature. Also, all plants are not poisonous for all species. That is, they differ for different animals and humans. Also, in some cases, entire plant is not poisonous. Only leaves or fruits or seeds can be poisonous and other things can be eaten. For example, leaves of the apple trees and its seed contains cyanide, a very poisonous chemical, while we can eat its fruit. Some of these plants are used in medicines and other applications as well. Some of the examples for poisonous plants are water hemlock, deadly nightshade, white snake root, castor bean, rosary pea, oleander, tobacco, castor oil plant. So friends, this was today's video. I hope you have liked it. If you, then like, share and subscribe to Mahiti Khazana. Bye friends! Only leaves or seeds only leaves or fruits or seeds to balance the nature. Hence, some plants are poisonous because they should be protected. Bye.